On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
What's up, mini truck? Let's go try this out. Pretty solid. I had the one guy suggested welding up here and then grinding it to fit. Like I say, I've used electrical tape on the front and the back part. It's not too bad. They actually make a brace that you could buy that bolts to. It doesn't bother me to have a little wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Yeah, I don't know if you saw my last video. I'm back to the Ordro EP7. Not too happy about the customer support because, as I put in the last video, they're saying the audio sounds fine. It does not sound, well, it sounds okay, but the audio level is unacceptable. So at one point I might end up sending these back to get another pair to see whether they are defective, because I don't trust their tech support now. It sucks. I even sent them a link to the side-by-side comparison, and sadly I still have not heard back from iView whether they make a pair of glasses which have the same spec, you know, internals with a wider view, like a 90, because that would be the ultimate. I can't deal with that 70 degrees is way too tight. You move your head, everything's jittering around, all you can see is, you can't see enough. You just can't see enough. So let's see, do I got everything? Ladder, I need a ladder. Yep, my Florida box, because Sunday morning I'm leaving for Florida. Let's go, Minnie. Isn't this a better view? 90 is the minimum. And I don't understand why these video camera glass manufacturers don't get it. They have to test. I cleaned out Minnie's junk in her trunk. Put this vise to use today. Better break it down into inches so I can do 3 equal parts. 120 inches. What's 3 into 120? 40? Yeah, 40, right? Did that without a calculator.
The thing with me is that I am smart, and I'm self-smarted.
3 of those. Might be easier to work off the back, like some of you guys mentioned, because all the tools will be back here. Yeah, maybe I'll try that and I'll pull up. I didn't even try it in the back yet.
That's what she said. Oh my god, what did I say?
You gotta drill another hole. Kinda why I left it longer anyway. Should we try one first? Probably. 5/16. These self-drilling and tapping, they are awesome. I'll put a link to these. I can actually stand up in here. My head just touches the bar. $22, $20. So I gotta go 21. Huh. Yeah, 21. Close enough. Yeah, that'll work, I think. I think that'll work, yeah. I definitely don't want this coming in contact with that. I wonder, is that zinc or galvanized? Yeah, it must be galvanized. What is it? 21, right? I'm 21 and a half. Afraid of this thing popping a wheel with my fat ass back here. Ow! Oh, I crushed my nuts.
It all knew how my balls.
Ouch. I'm definitely gonna need uprights like that. Push it up a little bit. 3 of these. And that leaves me 2 left. I'll use these. Sit them in that. The top part, maybe I'll tie wrap it. If I can tie wrap those. Make it a little longer. Almost forgot my ball things. Tie wraps to hold that. It should work, right? I think it'll work. It ain't easy being cheesy. I haven't used that one in a while. I'll leave those yellow clamps anyway. Extra never hurt. Right on this seam here. 71 and a half. Right here on this seam. 72 and a half. Use those for the corner braces. And 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not too bad. Not too shabby. I knew these foot pedestals would come in handy. That don't look too bad. Cheese-tastic. Oh. Well, that's... I guess I gotta come back to here, huh? What's up, ladybug? Wonder if I could squeeze it with this. See what good advice we have here. Yeah, look at that. That's the easy way. Easy cheesy. Yeah. I didn't think of that earlier. See how handy a vise is? Amazon truck again. Oh, just make it, fat ass. And I probably should do a front to back brace, at least 2 maybe. Didn't crush him that time. I know. It's probably gonna rip. If I got one left. And I do want to brace it this way. So, let's see. Cut in half, that'll leave me 3. I suppose it's better than nothing. Sometimes it's easier to pound it, boys.
Go away, baiting.
You know what I'm saying? That ought to give it a little extra strength. Absolutely. My last one's a little off down there. Now I guess it's roping time. Wonder if I could zigzag a rope all the way down on both sides. I don't know. Which way should I do this? Or is it even worth doing it? I don't know if that's going to even do any good. Well, that'll do it for now, boys. Might have enough to hold the snow as it is. I ran that box over. Minnie's wider than I thought. Oh man. Thanks for the help, Minnie.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.